So what's up, everybody? Good afternoon, you guys. I'm super excited to have you guys on call today. I hope you guys love coming on this live as much as I love making these lives for you guys. All right, so let me know what country are you guys joining me from right now. I'm in Italy. What about you guys? Where you guys are? All right, so today just gonna be pretty quick. Yeah, we're gonna be talking about how to start forex trading. And for me, it's already an amazing journey. I've been talking about this for a very long while, and the goal is that we add more people, about 1 million people this year. We teach extra 1 million people each new year on how to trade forex profitably. All right, so that's where I want you guys help. All I just need you to do right now is to take this link, share it on your Instagram story, or WhatsApp status, everywhere that you know you can share it. Let people join us right now, okay? Let them join us. Let them join. Let them join. Let them join. Okay, so we have people from someone from Zimbabwe, Scotland, from the other states. From where else? Where you guys coming from? Okay, Cameroon, Lagos, Nigeria, those states. Where else? Where else? What's your location, guys? Drop your location. Let's go. India, Ghana, Abuja, Cameroon, Abia State, New York, Rwanda, Kaduna, Gambia, Ghana, Jalingo, Enugu. Wow. It's a full house. United States, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Ibadan, Ghana, Zambia. Okay, so now let's go. So I want you guys to go ahead, right? Italy, Magodo, Uganda, different part of the world, man. In Dubai. Okay. All right, so let's go. So today, we're going to be talking about forex trading in general, and we're also going to be talking about signals. Just before I came on this live, I already saw an opportunity I want us to share, and that happened to be on gold. Let's dive a bit deeper on gold and see what exactly is going on right there. So, guys, be very careful because Donald Trump is still at it again. He's still doing his thing as he always does, rather. So, you guys always know that anytime that he tweets, that's about last week at about say 8 o'clock, 8 a.m., there's always a shoot to the upside because of some random tweets. Is he 8? Is he 8? Let me check the time. Like, I think this type of move, okay, this is was around 12 o'clock. I think it's funny move was just happening on gold last week or last week's thereabout because of tweets and everything that he says. So just gotta be very careful this week. This week too, I'm also very careful, all hands on deck, and then we're gonna trade it safe. All right, trade it smart and trade it safe. Right now, gold is right now bouncing off at this zone I've set up waiting for a buy. So if you are not in yet, first off, we made profit from the buy. I only share that signal to the VIP. This is the VIP group. I shared the signal at about 4:20 a.m. I don't know, my system is really messed up right now. So I sent this at about 4:20 a.m. All right. And boom, we already took profit at about 6 or 7 a.m. So that was a good start off for the week on this one. But then we still have more other opportunities to take on this one. So if this candle right now closes above this high, we're going to be taking an opportunity. So that's what I'm currently looking at for. All right. I don't know. For some reason, I think my YouTube has some glitch. There's a problem going on my YouTube. I noticed like it's not getting the visibility as it should. Maybe I have some violation. I violated some of their rules. Even right now, the comments are not coming in as they should, and it's showing me like wrong views here. Everything is just wrong these days on this YouTube stuff. All right. Okay. So that's by the side, just in case you're also wondering about that. So that's why I just want to like talk a bit about that too, just in case. All right. So one of the things I made you guys understand last week was about candlesticks understanding. I said there are some things that you guys should be following through, that you should be using to hack the system or to know where the next market movement is going to happen, but you're just not doing because you don't know the right thing to do. You are there following law and order, following the right teachings you see on YouTube, but you just don't know how to really break free from the losing cycle. You find yourself making $100 and the next day you're giving back 75, and the next day you give back even 25, and then you're back down again. Like taking 2 steps back forward and taking even 4 steps backwards, and you don't want that type of thing. So that's why candlestick understanding is very, very, very crucial in trading. All right. So I talked about the two major candlesticks that I look out for entry, which were hammer and inverted hammer, and also did talk about what's it called, uh, star, the morning star and evening star. Those are the two major candlesticks I know I did talk about. Okay, so now let's take it a step further. So in case you've not watched that video, I need you to go back again, go see that video, and then you can learn those patterns that I said and how we traded it. And last week we did make a lot of money. All right. So now today I'm going to be talking about how to scale from $100 account to a bigger account, like $100 to 10,000 to 100,000 to 1 million, if the case may be, and so on and so forth, right? So all you just need to have first is the knowledge. Once you get the knowledge in trading, you don't need to always be bothered about capital, or be bothered about, okay, how do I scale or something like that, because if you got really good knowledge, there's always money, as I say all the time. Okay. Okay. It's funny comments. So you're definitely gonna know, okay, if you do really know how to trade, you're definitely gonna know, okay, this is the thing I need to do to scale. All right. So that's what I'm here for you. All you just need to do is to increase your lot size and increase your position size, increase your lot size, increase your position and everything. All right. So now let's go ahead and have a presentation that I wanted to share, but I think that presentation might kind of like slow me down, right? Wait, let's take an opportunity right now. Before presentation, let's take an opportunity right now, right now. Let's go. On gold, right? Let's go ahead and buy right now. You see? Though I've gotten one entry before now, like I've made profit before now. Here, just go ahead and buy right now. Can you see? Buy, and you're gonna put your stop somewhere around here. Then we're gonna target twice as much. See, this is my before and after. Now we are not in profit, right? I'm gonna go ahead buy right in front of you guys. Now. Then the stop loss value is 4,534.72. Go ahead and buy right now. This is your stop loss. So I want us to make profit before we leave here. So it's straight to the point, no beating around the bush, direct action. So I love to share free trade on our free Telegram channel. So if you're not a part of that, make sure you join in to grab the trade if you want that. Why take profit is twice as much, 4608.96. Let's go. So this is what you've got. If you are in, drop number one for me. Let me be sure that you're in. If you're in, drop number one. If you're in, drop number one. So I just got in on this trade. You see, I'm in too as well. I'm sure you guys should be in too as well. Drop number one for me if you are in. If you are in, drop number one. All right. Great stuff. I'm also in. Let's ride this. Okay, so almost everyone is in. So for those who said their account is small, please just stick to 0.01 with one entry, because you know gold is very volatile, right? It's volatility. So most of the reason why people don't know how to scale, we're talking about scaling from $100 to $1,000 and not able to keep a consistent account, a track record, is simple. It's because they've really not been able to master the exact risk management that is right for the account. All right. So for example, for someone like me using $100 size, this is an account that I've grown from 4 million right now. It's now 10 million, 11 million as a matter of fact right now. So that's still, I'm still pretty much very conservative, because come to think of about the losses I'm using, and I just do not over leverage. I don't overexpose myself. I just have two positions and I just let it flow. All right. So please stick to 0.01 if you have a small account. All right. If what usually just messes people up is that they just want to like scale up fast, too fast than they actually can get. All right. So just be careful with that. Should I enter with $10? Yes, use 0.01. You can get in. If you've got $10, you still can get in. Okay. You see, should I enter? Yeah, I've already answered you. All right. Okay, from Facebook, you said he is in. Okay, congratulations. So that's Nelson Kubalwa. Okay, well done. Let's go. So who else? Who else? Are you still in Italy? Afolabi? Yes, I'm still in Italy right now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can I still go in now? Yes, you still can. Oh, he said this is Joshua from Abuja. First time. Nice to have you, Joshua. You're welcome on this our Monday live stream. Oh, Dallas, Texas. You're welcome. You're welcome, ma'am. Okay, so how do you calculate risk now moving from $100 to $1,000? So there's a simple tool I always try to like explain to newbies. It's not the same way you trade $100. It's not the same way you're also going to be trading $1,000. So the best thing is you have to have this website, which is position size calculator, Baby Pips position size calculator. What this website helps you do is to help you to put context to the amount of risk you're going to be taking, regardless of any account, the risk percentage, the stop loss, and everything like that, right? So on the account size, you want to set to your account currency. Usually we all have USD as our account currency, right? So let's imagine I'm trading an account of 4,000. Currently I have an account here, 4,000. And then I want to risk, say, 20%. Don't worry about the percentage. I can get to increase or decrease it based on my risk appetite, but just follow through. And then my stop loss, right, is 30 pips, for example, 30 pips stop loss. So I'm going to adjust the pair I'm trading. Let's assume I'm using Euro USD. I'm going to click on calculate. So this means that if this trade we saw, if it hits my stop, I'm going to be losing $800. And the loss size I'm supposed to use is 2.66. So the next question I want to ask myself is this a good or an ideal trade for me? Am I comfortable risking $800 from my 4,000? If the answer is no, then I drop my risk percentage. Easy peasy. So now the next one, if I drop to 10% and 30%, 30 pips stop loss, if I get hit, I'm going to be losing $400, and then the loss I have to use is 1.33. If I'm still not comfortable, I'll keep dropping until I'm comfortable with that amount of money I can get loose. So now make it make sense. And I see people saying that they're losing their money and their hands. Forex is a scam. They're running. I don't want to do Forex again because they lost their money. Why? You lost $100. You're thinking Forex is a scam. You just didn't do the right thing. That's why it's knowledge. Now that you have this knowledge, I want you to go try it again with this knowledge that you have. All right. They say knowledge is power, but I know knowledge is more than power. It's more. All right. So now we are currently on this trade. Just go in with 0.01. So if you go in with 0.01 and you can, then you've got, let's imagine you have $100 and then you want to go in on gold. Just that there's no gold on Baby Pips position size calculator. Let me use another the most volatile stuff to gauge. Like let me use GBP USD then. Yeah, so it's nowhere close. It's nowhere close to gold. It's safe to. It's nowhere close. But let me say I want to be risking, say, 10%. So he's saying for you to lose $10, you use 0.03 on gold. On this one, I'll say stick to 0.01. You see, you still got a chance. Still got a chance on gold. So that is my analysis for you guys. Just make sure you keep using 0.01 and keep scaling. Because the longer you stay in the game, the better you become, and then you can scale faster. Remember, the goal is not for you to make quick money. The goal is for you to build a good trading history, and then you can further show that to investors or attract some other client like we do. Attract some investors, and then they get to invest more in you, and then you get to like really scale from there. That's what is really important, because your $100 cannot get you to where you really want to be. Because I know you want Ferrari, you want Lamborghini, you want the nice things of life. So $100 is not enough to get you there. So you have to just make sure you have the knowledge to meet the right people. You understand? Yeah, that's what's up. What other thing? What other thing? What other thing you guys got going on? Is there any question? Okay, Pressure said, I'm from Cross River State. My first time too. Okay, nice to have you here. Nice, 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 nice to have you guys. I mean, you guys are amazing people. Who else has got a question? Please check NZD USD. Okay, no problem. I got you. I'm gonna go check that right now. NZD USD. NZD USD is pretty similar to. For NZD USD, I'm seeing a sell because we are still on a downtrend. Market is still moving straight to the downside. So I'm seeing a consecutive drop here. Anything that makes it to drop, take out this lower leg here. It's still a drop, 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 drop as far as I'm concerned. But let's check it from the daily time frame. Let's check it from the daily time frame. So upon checking this daily time frame, market is still dropping. So this is in a downtrend. On the 4-hour time frame, is still dropping. 1 hour, the same is true. So 15 minutes time frame, keep selling. Keep selling. It's not time to buy at all. So just keep selling. Keep selling. All right. We're expecting massive profit on gold. Massive profit on gold. I mean, that's why we trade, right? For massive profits. That's why we trade. That's why I trade. So GBP JPY2 is also dropping, all right? But there's no opportunity for us right now. Fortunately, the opportunity happened really, really early. There's some opportunity these days. I wake up at midnight to actually trade. These days, I wake up at midnight to trade because I know that there are more opportunity at the early hours of in this period, just this period only. So GBP USD2 is a drop. Wow, we just took out this place that I've been looking out for a very long while. It's a drop, guys. From here, it's a drop, massive drop, right, on GBP USD. For those that are trading, yeah, take caution. At this point, we are expecting a massive drop. Tap here, tap right here. Now it finally broke. It's gonna be a drop. It's gonna sustain it. So USD card. Okay, nothing really going on. Let's check USD JPY. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's check Euro JPY. Yeah, Euro JPY2 was also dropping, but everything is okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Then let's go back to our gold. So we gold, we're in good profits already. I'm sure so many of you already in like a really nice profits. Well, congratulations for those who are already in and are in profit. Well, me too. I'm also in. I'm also in. We're bagging it in. Yeah, how much are you guys up in profits? 900 US dollars. Oh wow, congratulations. How much are you in? $30 in profit. Congrats. $11 in profit. Oh, okay. Congrats. Congrats, guys. Congrats, 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 congrats. $100 said it's bagging. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I'm in serious profit now. Okay. Okay. Congratulations. Those of you that are in serious profit and those that are on serious profit, congrats to you all. Congrats everybody. Congrats, 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 congrats. $6, $1,000, $100, $350, 100K, $20. So someone is asking me for XAG, that's on silver. Silver, recently I've been monitoring silver. So from next week, be expecting my signals on silver. I'm gonna be dropping stuff regarding silver. But right now, silver is still long for me. I'm long on silver. From the look of things, we still can buy silver too as well. Silver, buy silver. I've seen this analysis before. Buy silver. SAG. You can see among my watch list right here. So it's a pretty nice one for the buy on silver. Silver is good for the buy. Buy silver. So I don't like sharing too much opportunity here because we have too many newbie. They might just think they have the need to trade all of them just the same way. So that's why I just like sticking to something that we're all familiar with and that is pretty consistent with what already they know because of the beginners. So silver is good buy. I'm also in on the buy too. So don't play with this one on silver too as well. So pretty much we're good, right? But I'm not gonna stay long on this live session. I have to run. Okay, because I don't know why something is some seems off regarding this our live session. It just seems off. I mean, in terms of the views, I think my YouTube has got a glitch or something. All right, but if you got value today, you're making money. Let me see. Type value. I just need you to just drop me value. Value. If you're making money right now, just drop value. Just drop value in the chat box. Okay, someone said how to join me live. Okay, it's pretty simple. In order for you to join me live, you guys said it's making $9, $6, $5. Okay, good. Value. Cool stuff. Cool. So for those who are on Facebook, I see what you're saying. You say how to join value 530 around. That is from CFISO. All right, $50 on $50, $70. Oh, okay. Okay, people in the chat, they're making money on Facebook too as well. See the Facebook one. They're making money. Good stuff. Okay. Someone said I'm having issues, big issues creating account in CSS market. I mean, what issue are you having? If you have any issue, I think you should reach out to their support. But if you want to sign up with the broker that I use, just scan this QR code right there. That should take you to the website to sign up. And again, what country are you at? I think they don't accept clients from United States and Canada too as well. So If you are from there, maybe you're African and you have other details, you can use African details or something like that. All right. Yeah. For those who want to learn from our academy, just go to firepipsfx.com. For those who want to learn, all right? Those who really learn. So please don't come to learn when you know you're not really ready to learn. You have to make sure you have time. And trading is not an easy task. It's not something that you just get on a platter. Trading is difficult. Trading is difficult. I have to let you guys know that it is difficult so you can come more prepared. I don't want to come with laxity, come relax and anything. I want to come with a prepared mind, be ready to learn, and be ready for the drill. Training is gonna drill you, and it takes time to really make it. When you make it real good. That's what does really matter. That's what does really matter. Okay. And for those, you can always watch my videos here on YouTube. I have more other information there here for you that you can learn a lot from. A lot. So don't just be caught hanging around without learning. Keep learning. Weekends learn, weekdays learn, learn and learn and learn and learn and learn. All right. Okay. There's this last video that I dropped, every Forex term explained. Go watch that video, go see that video, because that video is everything good. All right. Thank you so much. I'll be with you guys some other time next week, Monday again. If you have any question, just do let me know. Someone's asking me stop loss for silver. All right. So let me just check for silver. Let me just go check it. SAG USD. Stop loss for silver is 70.53549. Yeah. Let me write it out. That is the stop loss, right? Copy that. Did you guys copy that? Oh, I wasn't sharing my screen. Sorry. Let me quickly share my screen one more time. That's the stop loss right here on your screen. 70.53549. So on Facebook, someone says that I'm in the US. How can I use the SX market? All you just need to do is to scan that QR code. Let me just send you one more time. Let me just send you guys the link to sign up. Right? You can use my link because I get anytime you get to trade, I get commissions from spread. Yeah, if you're cool with that, you can use my link, right? Otherwise, you can just go straight to their website. But please use my link. Let them know that I brought you on no extra fee on you. Come on. So that's the link, right? That I just shared. That's the link. So you click on that link, you sign up. They're gonna ask you for your personal information just to verify that you're human, and also to verify your identity, to verify your proof of address too as well. So things like that. All right. And then you set up everything. Everything should be like in less than 30 minutes, including verification, because they're going to ask you to verify your passport. Please do not give them US or Canada because they don't accept clients from there. So just give them your stuff and then they'll take it up from there. All right. So gold is still in very good profit, guys. Gold is still in very good profits. Yeah. So I came with nothing. Now I'm leaving 176,000 richer. So let's go, guys. 180. Keep going because it's going to keep going up. 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 All right. Take it easy, guys. I'm sure you guys got value from today's live stream. All right. Bye for now. Bye. See you all.